In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make two tables side by side in Microsoft Word. This technique is incredibly useful when you want to compare data, display related information neatly, or create a professional-looking layout in reports, assignments, or any type of document. Instead of stacking tables vertically, placing them next to each other can improve readability and make your content look more organized. To start, open Microsoft Word and either create a new document or open the file where you want the tables to appear. Having your document ready ensures that any adjustments you make will be applied immediately. Begin by inserting the first table. Go to the Insert tab, click on Text Box, and draw a text box for the first table. Place the first table inside this text box. Copy the text box, then paste it beside the existing box. Then click the text box and go to the Shape Format tab. Then go to the Shape Outline, then click the No Outline. Adjust the text box sizes and positions as needed to align the tables perfectly side by side. Using either method, you can format the tables individually, adjust column widths, and ensure that both tables fit neatly on the page. This approach keeps your document clean, professional, and easy to read, especially when presenting data or comparisons. By following these steps, you can create side-by-side tables in Microsoft Word efficiently, improving the visual presentation of your content and enhancing overall readability. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.